Here it comes. Go, go, go! Craig, why are you slowing down? I can see that. Oh my god. It's taking too long to go, Jess is gonna fall. Oh my god. I make one so slow. Oh shit. Oh,
Oh, it's not deep.
How far do they have to go out there? Craig is just giving up. Craig is giving up.
It's so shallow.
Hands and knees!
What is he doing?
I don't know what he's doing. He's giving up. He's finding a different way. Craig is abandoning the pack. I'm leaving the boys. I'm just following Craig.
Oh, Mark's done.
Mark's under.
I think he enjoyed that.
I can go back to Craig. Craig's gonna be a while. Come on, Jesse! Oh, Jesse! Just belly flopped it. Here goes Craig.
Come on,
Come on,
Craig!
Craig! He started it. No, this is the same one.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Well done. Good job, guys. Good job.